This is for my boy, Nick. He's serving in the military over in Germany right now. He's a dentist, graduated a couple years before me, and he's gonna be returning soon. I'm gonna make him a brand new 6.6 fish. This isn't Nick. Nick. You buy blanks with specific thicknesses, widths, lengths, and rockers. And I had a couple blanks that were super similar and actually got them mixed up which blank was for which friend. And stay tuned, Nick requested a really cool paint job. So it's gonna be a fun one. Wait to see. Safety first.
We just taped off a chevron on the sick new board. We're gonna paint it bright orange, and instead of taping off the whole board, I just used towels to save extra material.
That is gonna be sweet. Oh. So one thing I've noticed is you want to get it from every angle. If you only spray from one angle, when you look at other angles, you'll see little white spots, you know? And that's it. I think we nailed it.
Ooh, that is nice.
Oh, look at that. That's looking so clean. Oh, that is sick. That is so clean. I honestly just want to glass it just like that. Buddy is big into Toyotas. He wanted to do Toyota Pro Array green. So we're gonna do the whole deck green and then black rails. So let's do it. Okay, so this is some special water-based aerosol paint. It's mixed to that Toyota Pro Array. And this is gonna be hard. I've never painted anything with spray cans before.
My buddy sent me these fancy paints because he wanted this exact color. So I gave it a try.
But yeah, definitely not as good as an actual airbrush. It like fluctuates and stuff, sort of weird. So I went to Home Depot, I brought a sample of the paint, and what's really cool is they have a machine that actually scans the paint and perfectly matches it. So got some custom paint, let's check it out, see how it looks. Spray can. Perfect.
Swapping to the airbrush, it turned out super uniform and super clean.
Oh man, this is a cool looking board. This honestly also just looks really cool, just like that. Oh, that is gorgeous. We're gonna flip it and paint the bottom. Okay, this bad boy's looking really good. Let's peel it. Ooh. So when I taped this up, we flipped and taped off the chevron a little bit too early. It wasn't 100% dry, so the tape actually pulled up some of the paint. So I taped it all off again, and I'm gonna clean it up right now. Okay, Nick's here. Stateside!
Finally back.
Come
Good
on
to see you,
in,
dude.
Come on in!
Oh my gosh, dude, this
Check it out!
looks so clean. Oh my god, it turned out so much better. This is awesome. I love this.
It's gonna be a really fun board,
It's
dude.
light too. Oh my gosh, man.
Oh, sick! Let's pop in some
Rock and
fins.
see, dude.
Yeah.
You have the fins?
Yeah, man.
No, I'm just here for my brother's bachelor party.
Oh,
So in San Diego. So
I
I'm
thought
here
you
for
were
like
done.
a week. No, I still got like a year and a half left out there.
This guy's just flying back to Germany.
Yeah. I leave in like next Friday, so I'm
Oh,
gonna
you
get
get
a
a
couple
whole week.
surfing. Yeah, I got a whole week of surfing.
Oh,
in,
yeah,
so
man.
it's gonna
Heck
be
yeah.
awesome.
Holy are you kidding me? I've never glued in a fin box backwards. This is the very first time ever. And of course
I
it's
was
on.
sitting here going like, I can't figure out how to get
Are
this in.
you? And of course I do it to Nick, you know. Gosh darn. Okay, hold on. Bro, what? Nick, what the heck? I'm so sorry.
No, you're good, dude.
Nick is gonna surf this week, and then I will replace the fin box the right direction. Oops, I've never done that before. Little humble
First for
pie.
everything, I guess.
Send me some pictures you surfing it.
Will do, man. Thank you.
I went back through the old footage, and right here, I double checked because it's taped up so you can't see the holes, and I put it in the wrong direction.
I am so embarrassed. I cannot believe I put in a fin box backwards. What the heck? I'll fix it.
Comment below if you want to see me fix this board.
I was talking to Nick, and I asked him the biggest tooth that he's ever root canaled in the Army, and it wasn't a human tooth.
Yeah.
Nick sent me a picture of a Spec Ops dog.
Yes, military police dog. He broke his tooth on like a chain link fence. Couldn't bite anymore. It was actually really sad because if the dog can't bite, they can't be used for military purposes. So it was either like fix this tooth or put the dog out of commission, which is either like have him retire with someone else or put him down, unfortunately.
Oh.
And you can't extract the teeth, the canine in dogs, because the canine tooth is so large that it would actually fracture the jaw if they were to try to bite. So it was like, save this canine or, you know, the dog is out of work. So it was really cool. It was fun. I worked with the veterinarian. She put him down. I mean, she put him under. And then I did the root canal, and I don't know, 2-3 hours, and we had it all nice and sealed. They wouldn't let me do a crown on it though. I wanted to do like a gold crown or like titanium that was like serrated or something.
Oh, that'd been so
They're like,
serrated.
no, they're like just amalgam, pack it, and
Oh.
leave it out. So
That's still sick though.
yeah, it was a lot
What
of
the
fun.
heck? A metal like serrated? That
Wouldn't that be sick? I mean,
that'd be cool.
I don't know. You were a terrorist and some dog's growling at you with like a gold tooth.
Pretty-
I'd be like, you know what? I'm done. I give up.
Fair enough.
So